Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying where your contacts lived: Google, iCloud, Microsoft, or a local device backup. Once you know that, sign into that exact account on your device and enable backups. Then open the Contacts app or account settings and choose Restore or Import. Make sure the device stays on Wi-Fi and plugged in. Restores can take minutes to tens of minutes. If prompted, select the correct backup date, because restoring the wrong snapshot can overwrite newer entries. Next, export your current contacts to a VCF file so you have a fallback. This prevents accidental loss. Then, use the web interface of your account. Web tools often reveal hidden, merged, or archived contacts that mobile apps hide. Once visible, filter by creation or modified date and compare timestamps to the backup. If necessary, selectively import only missing entries instead of a full overwrite. This targeted approach preserves recent edits while restoring lost contacts efficiently. To finish, re-enable sync and let the system reconcile entries. Make sure duplicates are merged or cleaned using built-in merge tools. Once done, check several sample contacts to confirm phone numbers, emails, and labels restored correctly. If some contacts remain missing, inspect other linked accounts and any local device backups you skipped earlier. If things go wrong, force a manual sync, clear the Contacts app cache, or try restoring an alternate backup date. This often recovers entries lost by an earlier restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.